Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to navigate into your settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, tap on your SD card, and tap on the three dots in the corner and select Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. When you press on it, it will give you a message that formatting your card will remove everything from it. So if you have anything on your card that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to backup anything, proceed by selecting Format SD card, which will begin the process that only takes a couple seconds to finish up and should be right about done. There we go. That's basically it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.